Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Trevor Birchett.
Plenty of beautiful fall weather for our friends down in Winston County and Louisville. This is a time lapse from downtown there at the water tower and the storm shelter. And you can see plenty of blue sky, and you can even see the trees starting to change just a little bit. The official peak of fall foliage is not going to be until November 15th, but some of those colors are just starting to pop up. You see some of the oranges in those trees over there, and you might have noticed some of those changing colors in your neck of the woods. Overnight tonight, lows in the mid-40s for a lot of us. Not quite as cold as we were last night, but still a pretty chilly night. Generally calm as clouds start to build in ahead of our rainmaker tomorrow. And you can see, I think we'll start out the day pretty nice. Just a few clouds out there. No rain expected in the morning. I think in the afternoon is where the rain is really going to start to ramp up, say around 2 or 3 o'clock. I think by 5 or 6 for sure, that's when we're definitely going to see more of that steady rainfall. Temperatures topping out in the mid-60s tomorrow and eventually down into the mid-50s, say around dinner time. Let me break that down for you on Futurecast. We're going to start things off around 10 a.m. and you can see, as I mentioned, most everybody dry, just a few clouds out there. Pretty nice start to the day, but there's that cold front that's going to be the troublemaker, bringing in some of this rainfall and Arctic air. So you see that gets a little further into the area around 2 o'clock, bringing in some isolated to scattered showers, and then as we get into dinner time, that's where just about everybody is seeing a little bit of rainfall. Not heavy rain, no storms expected, but will be a pretty steady rainfall through the dinner hour. And you'll notice as we work this through, as colder air starts to catch up to the rainfall, it's certainly possible that a few flurries mix in here on the backside. This is not going to be anything significant, but if you're up late enough on Monday night into early Tuesday morning, say around 1 a.m. here in the Golden Triangle down into Louisville, you might see some sleet pellets or a few flurries of snow. But that all moves out of here really quickly. It's only going to be about an hour to an hour and a half window for anything to happen. If it does happen, by 9 a.m. on Tuesday, we are all dry. We might even see a few peaks of sun. Now, even if you're one of the lucky ones that sees some snowfall or a few sleet pellets, nothing's going to stick because, as we mentioned, some of that stuff might be coming through the Golden Triangle around 2 a.m. Notice the roadway temperatures still in the 40s, so nothing, if anything falls, nothing's going to stick. Maybe a few flakes on your hood if you get up early enough. But for most of us, waking up around 6 or 7, you're not even going to notice that anything happened. It's going to look like a normal day, aside from these temperatures starting out in the 20s, but with those northerly winds gusting up to 25 to 30 miles an hour at times, it's going to feel like the single digits north of I-22. We're feeling like 12 degrees in Columbus at 9 a.m., 11 in Ackerman. So get those winter coats ready. You're going to need them Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning as well. Record low here in Columbus for Wednesday morning is 22. That was set 99 years ago. And we are forecasting that we're going to break that record low of 21 Wednesday morning. The good news is, though, we stay pretty sunny. Back to a partly cloudy sky for the end of the week and into the weekend. Temperatures slowly but surely start to ramp back up into the 50s for the end of the weekend, even into the 60s for the weekend. So the weekend looking pretty nice. Just got to get through this cold snap first.